Hello, friends. This is the second part of my lockdown creativity. The lockdown had continued and still there were no shops around. So, I too continued with whatever was available in the house. Like, I made this tea coaster from old clothes in the same way as I had made the doormat, a small one, and it is really cute. Okay, I can also use it as a lid to cover the hot teacups and so on. I made one or two of similar kind. This is one thing I liked. It looks elegant because it is made up of jerry cloth, the Kerala shawl, old shawl that I had of the Kerala cotton material, and also another green color satin cotton material. So it looks nice, elegant. Another one that I made was, I should say, it is a holy mat, and I wanted this since a long time to keep the puja articles. Some nice, elegant cloth, specially made to keep the puja articles during puja. And this too I made from the remaining part of the Kerala shawl that I had with me. I used the boundaries, the borders, the jaris to make the swastik design, and even I made a little cushion. I gave a cushioning touch to it by placing few cloths inside. So it is looking nice, really elegant and really royal, I should say. And I used it for during Diwali, during Onam. I used this, and I'm very happy about it. Um, this is another, I think this is a third mat that I am making during this lockdown period. And then what else? I switched on to the coconut shells, which were easily available in the house. I made it smooth with the help of sandpaper. Getting a sandpaper during this lockdown was also difficult, but somehow I could manage it from my husband's workshop. And I did this little bit of creativity. I use a white ink once again to make some designs, and I consider it to be a soup ball, although I have not yet tried. I have not used it, but it is looking like a nice decorative piece, and I've kept it in my showcase. So this is coconut shell DIY, I should say, first attempt from my side. And then I had a cake base with me which was lying around. I thought I'll write some nice kitchen quote. I got this kitchen quote from YouTube. Cooking is love made visible. So I used one card paper, a pink color card paper that was there with me, and I cut it and I stuck on this base. I used some ice cream spoons, wooden spoons, and the bamboo, the broomsticks that were available with me. I used the broomstick too to decorate it, and then I hung it in the kitchen, and it is looking nice. And whenever I'm tired of cooking, I just look at it and I feel, yes, cooking is love made visible, and I'm motivated to cook for my family. Isn't it nice? The golden color, the base is golden color, and that is giving a nice look to it, a very beautiful look to it. Everybody loves it, those who have seen it. And then I got a bag which had some stocking cloth and some leaves, plastic leaves, some crepe paper that I had done, that I had made some flowers during a vacation some 7 to 8 years back. I used them once again, although they were old. I used those pollen grains and those stocking cloth to make nice cute flowers, and yes, it has turned out to be very nice. I also tried making tulip. I love tulips. I wanted to make tulips, so I used the crepe paper to make tulips, and then I was not very happy with it. Then I used the card paper with me. I had yellow color card paper. I tried making tulip with the card paper too. I tried various ways with the help of my favorite YouTube links, and I could do a lot of DIY. That's all for today. Bye.